Even as Afghanistan government extends coronavirus lockdown for 3 more months, Afghanistan's capital city of Kabul continues to remain open. According to the new restriction norms, all businesses except essential services will either be completely shut or work remotely. Remember, Afghan government on Sunday announced a new series of restrictions that would be imposed across the country for the next 3 months. The new norms are aimed at reducing crowds to prevent further spread of the deadly COVID-19 in the country. But on your screens are visuals from the streets of Kabul. Afghans are out in large numbers with utter disregard for social distancing norms. Few are sporting masks. But some relaxations have been given. For example, government offices can open with staff below the age of 50. But what is surprising is that there is a widespread disregard for lockdown restrictions and pandemic warnings in Kabul. Despite repeated warnings from the government, businesses continue as usual in Afghanistan. People in major cities, especially the capital Kabul, remain reckless. Afghan's health ministry has confirmed over 21,000 positive cases of COVID-19 and nearly 400 deaths. But Afghan nationals are furious over the 3-month extension of restrictions. They find it unacceptable and difficult for them. Many daily laborers argue that they will run out of food as continued restrictions will impact their work. In fact, there is a growing discontent towards assistance for the poor. WION's Kabul correspondent Mustafa Kazemi sent us this report.
Afghan government has introduced a new 3 months of restrictions in Afghanistan, especially in Kabul city, to prevent the further outbreak of coronavirus disease, which has infected over 20,000 people and has claimed nearly 400 lives so far. But that and the 3 months of new restrictions, which includes businesses and daily laborers as well, remain to seem careless about what the government is saying and advising. This is one of the markets in Kabul, which is, according to the new law, supposed to be closed down entirely with not a single shop open. But the people here seem careless and reckless to the threats and say that if they close down the businesses, their lives will be closed down. Most of the people working here are daily laborers, and whatever they earn in the day, they spend it for their dinner and the food. They say the government should find better measures. If they close down all the businesses, then there has to be a useful and effective substitute for the poor.